This song was created using the N-Track Studio app.
Yo, gotta tell you something. Yeah. Yo.
Abdul got the keys.
Yo.
This sound like Quill.
I am overloaded with information, constantly collecting data. If you gotta tell me what I gotta mean, that I'm overloaded with information. If I cannot keep learning, I cannot even think about the fact that I'm overloaded with information. And I know I cannot even think about the fact that I'm overloaded with information. Shall be no, yeah, I'm overloaded. Try to feel a lot of rest and bit, I'm overloaded. I be catching a vibe, man, I'm overloaded. Catching that virus, man, I'm overloaded. Yeah, overloaded. Submit to that vibe, Mr. Computer Virus. God for the side, I am overloaded. Trying to catch the vibe to Mr. Computer Virus. Yo. I'm overloaded, so I gotta catch the vibe. I'm overloaded. Flying to the side, man, I'm overloaded. Yeah, I'm overwhelmed and dizzy. Trying to catch the flow and overwhelmed and busy. Yo, I'm overloaded if I can't stop being overloaded with that much data. I'm overloaded with information, constantly collecting data that I gotta know is assuming it needs. I am overloaded with information that I see. Yo. I'm overloaded with information. Yeah, I'm overloaded with information. Tell you I'm overloaded with information. I am overloaded. You could drop for the series. You could drop for the series. Yeah, I am overloaded with information. You could drop till you ceiling. You could drop till you wanna program. Yo, run slow and this is not a moment we be taking breaks. Yo.
Abdul got them keys.
This sound like Quill.